A warm welcome to the webinar on PRSF, that is Partial Risk Sharing Facility Scheme for implementing energy efficiency projects in hospitality and healthcare sector. And this is our fourth webinar in the series. And today we will be focusing on the sector of hospitality and healthcare. So with this, I request Murugeshan sir to start with a welcome note. Before I request sir, I would like to briefly introduce Mr. Murugeshan sir. Murugeshan sir is the founder of Techspert Group, and he has held several senior positions in large enterprises both in India and abroad. His last assignment was with Prestige Group as head of department for mall operations, and the idea of bringing together the practicing technical professionals germinated during his stint with HCL Technologies in Chennai. And Expert Group has supported us for this event, and I request Murugeshan sir to kindly start today's event with a welcome note. Murugeshan sir.
Good evening, everyone. It is my privilege to welcome you all for today's event on PRSF for implementing energy efficiency projects in healthcare and hospitality sector. Most of the participants of today's event very well know about Techspert Group and our objectives. For the benefit of first-time participants, I would like to introduce Techspert Group in a few lines. Techspert Group, founded in the year 2013 with a vision to integrate world's technology professionals under one roof for the sole purpose of knowledge sharing. In line with the Techspert's objectives of networking and knowledge sharing. Actually, Techspert Group, even though founded with a vision of networking and knowledge sharing, we have conducted a lot of workshops, seminars, and even very recently we have concluded one knowledge sharing platform what we have created exclusively for Expo, to conducting Expo also. So far, Techspert has come a long way with establishing Techspert Group in 26 cities and 6 countries with a collective member base of more than 8,600 plus technical professionals from various industries and various fields. We have launched our mobile app in last April, and then we have launched our Expo platform. Already we have our websites also launched. So far we have done more than 40 plus physical events, as well as more than 100 webinars also in this. So far we have introduced more than 52 subject matter experts in our webinars from various fields of engineering. So we are very happy to be part of this initiative by SIDBI, World Bank, Enzen, and other organizations involved to make this world as a better place for living through energy efficiency initiatives. I extend my thanks to Mr. P.R. Reddy, Chief Technical Officer, Chief Technical Specialist from SIDBI, and Mr. Tanumurthy of Enzen, Mr. Shravan of Enspot for their efforts to make this happen. My sincere thanks to all the participants of today for your participation today. With this, I request Mr. Shravan to take over for further proceedings. Thank you all. Over to you, Mr. Shravan.
Thank you, Murugeshan sir, for the welcome note. So we'll move on to a special address by P.R. Reddy sir. And before I request Reddy sir to give the special address to the audience, let me briefly introduce sir. P.R. Reddy sir is an energy expert with over 30 years of vast experience in the areas of energy efficiency, renewable energy, and conventional energy. And sir is presently serving SIDBI, New Delhi, as Chief Technical Specialist looking after partial risk sharing facility for energy efficiency projects in India. So, Reddy sir, over to you for the special address for our audience today. Thank you.
Thank you, Shravan, and thank you, Murugesh ji, for inviting me as a guest here. I welcome all the colleagues who are attending this very important session on energy efficiency in hospitality and healthcare sector. So it's a very huge potential is there in hospitality and healthcare sector in terms of energy efficiency, energy saving potential. As you know, SIDBI, Small Industries Development Bank, was set up in 1990 to help MSME companies, get financing. So in the process, around 2005, we have realized that. So while funding MSMEs is one aspect, and making them work efficiently from energy point of view is another important aspect. So we started getting line of credits from various international donors like World Bank, KfW, JICA, etc. So we have helped number of companies in making their operations energy efficient. And this project, partial risk sharing facility, is an innovative project where if somebody want to set up energy efficiency project and they
Reddy sir, can you please unmute yourself, please? And I request the other co-host not to use the admin controls. Kindly please support us for this. Yes, please proceed, Reddy sir. Thank you.
yeah, was it from the beginning, was it unmute? I thought
No, sir. In between, it got accidentally muted. You can proceed now. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So therefore, this project has been initiated by the World Bank with the and SIDBI jointly in 2015-16 to help companies set up energy efficient project in various sectors. We have identified 5 sectors: large industries, buildings, that is hospitality and healthcare comes under buildings, then MSMEs, then MSMEs and electricity departments. uh, these are the 5 sectors we have identified. And in fact, uh, our partial sharing facility, Mr. Tanumurthy will explain you what is the facility is all about in detail in after my talk. Basically, in nutshell, we say that those who have difficulty in getting a loan, we help them in terms of giving a guarantee for that loan to the bank where you are taking a loan. If you are asking a loan from SBI and all, or any other bank, there are about 12 banks. So we offer guarantee up to 75% of the loan amount. So, and we have given about 5 guarantees to either hospital buildings or hotel buildings. I can mention a couple of them. One, GKNM Hospital in Coimbatore, Sant Parmanand Hospital, St. Stephen Hospital, Delhi. Sant Parmanand also is in Delhi, and Hyatt Hotel in Hyderabad. So Smart Jewels and Energized Solutions, Gurgaon. These are the 2 ESCOs who implemented them. So as all these hospitality and healthcare has huge air conditioning load. So, and these days, where many companies are going for heat pump technology. So there is a huge potential. Plus, going for replacing earlier lights with LED lights. So there is a saving potential of 25 to 30% or 35% in all these sectors. So we encourage you to implement this energy efficiency project and benefit from it. And where hotels, if they don't have cash flows to invest into that, so you can ask ESCOs, energy service companies, like I mentioned, Smart Jewels and Energized Solutions. Likewise, there are many companies, in South also and all over India. So anyone can chip in and they can invest their money into your hotel project or hospitality project. And then we will give a guarantee for such loans, and they can repay. From your savings, they will get back their money, and after 4 or 5 years, they will leave the facility. So this is the project all about, and I don't want to take further because a lot of sessions are lined up. So I thank you for inviting me once again, Shravan. So over to you, Shravan.